In today's fast-paced business world, companies need to find ways to be more efficient and productive. That's where Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, comes in. By automating routine tasks, we can free up our employees to focus on more strategic projects. And we can reduce the risk of errors and inconsistencies. With RPA, businesses can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. In manufacturing, RPA can automate assembly line processes, leading to faster production times and improved quality control. A doctor sits at a computer, reviewing patient records. In the background, a robotic arm moves medical equipment. Overall, RPA has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved overall performance.